I've got a sassafras tree that I need to drag out, and then I'm going to turn it into some boards so I don't waste it. It was damaged in a storm, so let's get into it. But before we do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can see what's coming up next. You can see that sassafras tree right there. Still sticking out of the ground down here. There's a big root ball mound there. So I'm going to have to go to the bottom of that tree and cut that first and then go onto the top of the tree, and it should fall safely. See the orange in this tree? This is a sassafras. We've got it on the ground and we're going to drag it on out of here. Next thing I'm going to do is take some of the bark off of this. Check that out. It isn't exactly all that bad looking. Now you can see the outer edge of this sassafras tree. It's been off the ground for a couple of years, but I think we're going to find that it's very usable.